Alright, this video is going to be on grabbing images from the internet. All you have to do is go to your favorite search engine. Most of them will have a tab somewhere around called Images. This will switch into Search for Images mode, and you key in what you want to search for. So I'm going to look for a chicken here and get a chicken into my thing. What you're going to notice is when you hover the mouse over the images found, is that it tells you the size in pixels of the image. So this one's 558 by 522 pixels. Just to give you an idea how good that image is or how bad it is, your computer screen is about 1,000 by 1,000 in our classroom. Some computers go up to 2,000 wide or so. So 522, 558, it's not a huge image, but it's not bad. If you wanted this thing to fill about half the screen in class, then 500 is about what you're looking at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image. And all you want to do when you actually want to take it is right click and choose Save Image As. For educational purposes only, grabbing images isn't really a bad thing. No one's going to sue you unless you try to make money off this stuff. Some images will be protected, so even though you try to save this image, and I'll just save it here as a chicken. I have a little special place. All you have to do here is remember where you actually save it. And I'm not doing a very good job here. There we go. Happy chicken. I'll save it in there. And it's not a very big file. 36K. Now that I've got this file, all I want to do is I want to go back to Photoshop. Go File. Open. I'm going to find my Pictures folder, which apparently is really hard here. Pictures, 2012, Happy Chicken. And it opens it as a new image file. To actually grab it and pull it over into my other file, very quick, simple series of steps. I go Select All. Then I copy everything I've selected. And then I just pop back to my other file. You can either hit the tab, or at the school, you go Window, and you'll see my food image down there. And now I just go Edit, Paste. When the image comes in, it gets its own layer, and it probably won't be quite the right size. So you just go to the Move tool, make sure this little box is ticked, Show Controls, and then hold the Shift key down, click on a corner and drag, and we can move our chicken around, turn it a bit, and get it in a good spot. When you're all done, double click, and that's it. You've just grabbed an image from online. Go grab some more.